Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well, and this is your step-by-step guide of how to upgrade the firmware of your camera. But before starting the video, few things to keep in mind. First of all, back up all the data you have on your SD card and format it. Secondly, make sure you have full charge on your camera. Full charge. Third, don't panic. Just follow all the instructions carefully in this video and you'll be good to go. So let's get started. If you are updating the firmware of the Sony A7 Mark IV, then few things to keep in mind. If you are on firmware version 1.01 or earlier, first of all, you need to update on version 1.05. I am in version 1.11, so I don't need to update to 1.05. I can directly update to version 5.0. So as I am on version 1.11, I am downloading the version 5.0 and updating straight to it. Okay, so after downloading your firmware, just copy it and paste it on your SD card. Then eject your card from your Mac or PC. Then put the SD card in your camera. Turn on the camera. Make sure you have enough charge. 100% is recommended and I'm working with 95%, 94% actually. Okay, go to settings, setup options, version, and if you go into version, you can see a software update pop-up is right here. And if we click OK, you can see we are right now at 1.11 and we are going to update to 5.0. So just scroll through it and press execute and then wait. It will take few minutes. Don't turn off your camera, don't panic, don't do anything. Okay, so after a few minutes, the update will be completed and it will give you a prompt like this: body update complete. Press OK and it will just giving you few guides to all the new things. Okay, so we have successfully updated the firmware version of the Sony A7 Mark IV. If you go to settings, setup options and version, you guys can see for body, we are at version 5.0. So if you have followed all the instructions given in the video, I think you have already successfully upgraded your camera to the latest firmware available. And if by any chance you have encountered any problem during the whole process, do let me know in the comment section down below and I will try my best to help you out and guide you through the whole situation. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was helpful, and if you liked the video, leave a like, comment, share, all the basic things YouTuber asks you to do, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, tada.